Let's talk about slip jigs. So slip jigs are fairly common in Irish music, and they can be a little bit confusing because if you're not aware that they're in 9/8 time, you can often listen to them and they go round and round and you're not sure where you are in the tune. But if you know that the underlying structure is 3 triplets, 3 groups of 3, then you can find your way with the tune a lot more easily. So some classic examples would be the butterfly, for example. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. I count it like that: 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. Whatever works for you. So it's like a waltz, except that rather than each beat containing maybe 2 notes or 4, it actually contains 3 evenly spaced triplets. Although when I say evenly spaced, you have to take into account the swing that you often hear in Irish music. So, for example, I think it's called Hardiman the Fiddler. It's not it could be, but it's better to have that swing. But that applies to Irish music in general. You often put a swing, so even though on the page it might look like evenly spaced quavers, it's actually got this kind of kind of swing to it, but not all the time. So you need to just kind of listen to the music and feel how the rhythm wants to go, as it were. So slip jig, so we got, that's Hardiman the Fiddler. We've got the butterfly. We've got the Kid on the Mountain. That's an absolute classic. You've also got the Rocky Road to Dublin. So it makes sense if you understand this underlying structure. 1 and 2 and 3, 1, a 2, a 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3. And then the next one, which your ears are anticipating another one because it would be like 2 bars in 6/8. But it's not, you're back to the beginning already. So there's 3 of those. And like I say, it makes total sense once you've got it, but until you have got it, you can easily get lost in a slip jig just listening to it. What was I playing? Okay, so it's a really important part of the repertoire. They're fairly common. You don't hear them all the time in a session, but there's certainly a few classics that it's worth knowing what's going on with them. So I'll play you Hardiman the Fiddler on the way out. Thanks for watching.